and I miss you.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and happy Easter. So today it is going to be a quick and brief video, just an update on what's going on with the Volcano XP Pro by Redcat. So I got the gears here, and what we have to do is possibly, well, yeah, I'm sure we're gonna have to take this bracket off here with these 3 screws, and it looks like it's missing a screw. And probably take it off here just so we can get to this gear here, and then replace this one as well, and then kind of figure out why it keeps messing up. We need to figure out what is going on with that. As you can see, if you can take a closer look there, we got some metal shavings there, so have to clean all that out, and then hopefully by replacing the gears we excuse me, we can finally get this thing going and keep it going versus having to stop all the time. I'm not sure, does that gear look bigger to y'all? Looks bigger than I don't know. We'll see once we get it off of there if it's indeed bigger, which could be part of the problem. I don't know, but in any event, my hopes is to get this off, install the new one, and hopefully get this thing just running smoothly without any interference. That way we can truly just charge this thing up and just have some fun with it. So stay tuned for that. It is getting warmer out, which means, hey, we can bring back out the gas powered ones, which we will do soon. And once we do that, we can start ripping those as well. So if you're new to the channel, you want to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when we post new videos. And you also want to follow us on no.pros.rc on the gram. That way you get the information first before YouTube as to what's going on or what's coming to the channel. Alright, so I'm not going to hold you guys up. I thank you guys for your support. And if you celebrate, enjoy your Easter holiday, and we will see you on the next one here at No Pros RC. So yeah, the next video will be installing these gears and see if we can get it going. So you want to make sure you're tuned in, and you want to make sure you're here for that, basically. So all right, I'm gonna let you guys go. Y'all be easy. Peace.